Hi guys, welcome back to In the Closet. Thank you guys so much for all the views and likes on my shorts and videos. These last few weeks have been a little bit hectic, but I try to put out some shorts while you guys were waiting. I just want to say welcome to all my new subscribers and welcome back to my returning viewers. So without further ado, let's get into this video.
But recently I just don't care. I'm a new bitch.
As I said in both my last short and my last video, I have decided to participate with a Scholastics campaign that makes sure that every child has a book and updates their classroom library. And so from each item sale, 50% of the profit will be going towards that campaign. And at the moment we have raised $20, which is nice for the beginning since I just put it out there. So I'm really excited that I was able to contribute. I'm going to compile it all together, so each video I will give you an update on where we're at, as the campaign is from July 2023 and to May 2024. So in this video we're going to be taking the items that I'm selling and creating costumes for Halloween. I got this idea because when I was younger, my mom would always make me look into my closet to see exactly what I had in my closet that could be used for a Halloween costume. Now, when I was younger, it was a little bit more better because I was also in dance school and therefore I had dance costumes, but as I got older, that definitely waned. But I still found that I could create get certain ideas from the items in my closet. And so I hope with this video, hopefully, obviously, I want you to purchase, but even if you don't, this will also give you an idea to get some creativity going in your life to find something cool in your closet. So I'm selling this Brandy Melville red and white spaghetti strap tape dress. Costume idea, Annie, obviously with the red and white. Throw a red curly wig. Keep the red curly wig, throwing some uptowns, and your Ice Spices Annie. I think this is just a great idea. I'm just saying. I always wanted to be Annie with this dress. It just never happened because I always put it, when I'm changing for the seasons, I always put it back in the summer bin and I just always forget to keep it out. I love this dress. It's really comfortable. It's my go-to dress in the summer. I literally always throw it on, run on with some flip-flops, some Birkenstocks, some sneakers. It doesn't even matter. It's a great comfortable dress, great form fitting. I think it makes everyone's figure look great. If you're a shopper at Brandy Melville, you'll know that everyone had this dress and it's popular. I had the dress and now you should have this dress, obviously. Let me get my hat. I'm actually prepared for this one. I don't know if it will fit though because I have this bun on the back of my head. But obviously it could be a cowgirl. So I'm selling these dahlias, shortals, light blue, very cute. I love them, but I outgrew them. I had these since high school and I stopped wearing them because I like the regular long overalls. And then I guess I got too tall and now they hurt. And then I have this top from Zara. I wore it to the Barbie premiere. Me and my friends went to Barbie and this was the outfit that I wore. I love the top, it's super comfortable, but it's just really not my style. I only brought it because of Barbie and I had to wear pink. But other than that, you could be a cute cowgirl with this. Show it off. You could literally be cowgirl Barbie. Oh my gosh, I'm thinking of all these cool ideas now after the fact that I brought my costume. So with this outfit, I am selling this cardigan from Joy. It's just a regular gray long sleeve cardigan. I really like how they have this panel on the side. I think that's really cute. That's what drew me to it. I'm also selling this Polo Ralph Lauren wool skirt. I've had this skirt since maybe I was a freshman, and anyone that knows me, the last time I was a freshman in high school was over a decade ago. So I think it's time to give it up. I kept it because eventually I just told myself I'd grow into it. It's been over 10 years and I haven't, so I think it's time to let it go. I love it. It's wool, it's beautiful, it's pleated, and most importantly, it has pockets. But it's a really good look. You could wear this in the fall, the winter, the spring. And with this look, I actually was inspired by, I was like on a little music video bin, and I was watching Britney Spears' Hit Me Baby. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? I just needed like a burgundy sports bra, which I don't have. But I was like, oh my gosh, girl, I could recreate this look. Also, it could just be like a regular schoolgirl look. I'm selling this Michael by Michael Kors sparkly spaghetti strap dress. I love it. This is honestly one of my favorite dresses. With this, I actually was inspired because I finally saw Sweet Charity. I've never seen it, and literally that scene with the, what is it, the aloof and the something else. I was like, girl, I have that dress too. That's so crazy, and I kind of have those shoes. Just throw in a pair of white gloves, boom, you got it. I got this at like a theater sale. You know, when they do like the costume department raising money, and they sold it. And you know, honestly, they have a little picture, so they actually did wear this in one of their Sweet Charity productions. They also wore it for Dreamgirls. They also, I was like, girl, you could also be Tina Turner if you want to, throw in a wig and roll it. So I think this is a great look. I personally, I wore it to dinner with a pair of sneakers. Fur is not for sale. I'm just gonna put that out there. The fur is not for sale. Don't get your hopes up. This is a keeper. But you know what is for sale? This Intimissimi slip dress. It's a white slip dress. It's a bit sheer, so you gotta be careful if you're gonna wear this out. You know, girls gotta be safe. But I actually brought this to wear outside, and I did wear it outside. It was nice. I liked it. I really did. I just think, I don't know. I just didn't think that it was flattering on me. So maybe someone else will probably be a little bit flattering. Along with this outfit, I am selling these. Well, first of all, let me tell you the backstory about this outfit. I was binging Sex in the City, the OG series. I'm not watching that new stuff. And I was like, oh my God, like literally Carrie looked like she could just jump into Apollo clothes and put anything on, but still come off cute. Like that's the work of Patricia Fields. And so one of my favorite outfits is, I don't know why I love it, when she leaves the house in the pajamas and she throws on her fur coat. And that has kind of been like such an iconic moment that I want to recreate in my actual life, that I actually got this idea because this is a slip dress. I have this fur. And most importantly, I have a pair of Dior heels that I'm selling. They're the Dior Carnage heel. Peep toe, little Mary Jane action going on. Very cute, patent leather nude. I really do love these shoes. I literally bought these shoes to wear to work. What job? Yeah, exactly. I mean, I didn't really think everything through, but honestly, throwing a crochet hat and you can have a Carrie inspired like Halloween costume. I'm gonna live for it. Maybe not a lot of people are gonna get it, but the girls that get it are gonna get it. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. My Depop and Poshmark are linked below, and so is the link to the Scholastic campaign to learn more. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.